polo shirt and bossy tag. Run a fast like Bolt in a Florida.
I don't even want help, no, I said not a soul. Yeah, man. I saw it go, man.
When Masicka come out and talk about being the goat and you cannot take Masicka seriously.
That's that every day my fucking name hot. We again on top of the convo.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. There again with our next update for you people. So in this one we have Mavado, the Gully God. Since he returned back to Jamaica, he might take advantage of all of the experiences when he did miss out on for the 9 years. You see as he did flying in the get a jelly and just wash off him out of the jelly style. Same time. So in this one, he might show you some footage of him mansion in the sky. You don't know 500 mil on the house cycle. Probably more now since you don't know real estate appreciate almost every year. But he must show you how him that live before him, the whole thing, before the whole job I'm to go foreign. He must show you the view him off of Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica is such a beautiful place. Man. Look at a view here. From the bedroom. Out to my balcony. Good morning, my people. Much love and respect for the love. Peace and love. That way I do. Always. Gully.
So that the Gully God in people. So he must show the fans him exactly where him did a miss out pan for the 9 years in the overseas. It's a very beautiful view. And for no say you have something like that in a Jamaica and a music gear that, yeah man, you must feel proud and you must feel accomplished within yourself because a lot of people are trying and you don't see how the game go. You have to great if you can make it. You see me I did? Yeah man. So we are moving on now to our next topic. So we see Valiant. Recently Valiant in the media because an artist come out and I say yo, Valiant must be broke because he never get more than 10 grand for a join and they do a Valiant. So Valiant did find that disrespectful after lending and helping and you know. So now if he matter is like him stop help people and we see where happened that in Depan live and a fan ask him about a join where she do and sell him as well and him make sure know say yo, he not even remember but check out the reason and here we go on.
Unlikely you wouldn't even remember.
Yeah, that me show you say God.
You wouldn't even remember. So God guess what? I don't hold it to it, but I just wanted to remind you, like, hey, what happened? You know?
No. See what happened there? You can't nobody right now. Me say not even my dog on the road. It good.
Right. Alright, but guess what? Have yourself a great day, evening, night. Me here say they go on a tour. I hope that you will be in the US though.
Calgary.
Are you gonna be in the US?
It's North America, basically. Yeah.
Jesus, man. When are you gonna be?
Huh?
When are you gonna be?
It starts now.
No. I mean, like, knowing that you're not in America, like, right now, I'm asking you, when are you gonna be?
Yeah. Boy, if I tell you the whole of them data right now, you'd have to go on my Instagram, everything.
All right, guess what?
Yeah.
I'll go on the Instagram, I'll check it out to see what's what, and then I'll know. Okay? All right, have yourself a good one. Bye.
Thank you so much. No disrespect in them, me can't. Jesus Christ, brother. You have some people just make it bad. I don't even want help. No, I said not a soul. Yeah, man. I saw it go, man. I say it go, man. Me not. Me said to me didn't want to run. Me didn't even make she finish talk. I swear.
Scorpio season, you know. Get myself a new gift, you know. Money bag up on you and she go dead. All these doors and designer dog. All these hoes and these type of cars. All these leads from the dialer dog. Man, rich out for front, rich out for cat. 17 as you chip out your gun. Them know we bad. No bang your life for real and the end from do it. A couple million on the chain out to press in the cheap. Have a bone look the cream and she a bleach your weed. Drink the Hennessy.
So that a Jafrass a throw some shades at Masicka direction in people. He must say a money bag the pan film chain is not a nanny goated. Cause you know in recent time Masicka drop a song La Cabra. People say oh, a female goat. You don't know Spanish. When you use la in front of any noun is a female version, you refer to the feminine type. If you use L, you refer to the male type or the masculine type. You see me in Spanish, you have to deal with feminine and masculine. So people are make fun of Masicka say, yo, right now I'm a nanny goat, and Jafrass get wind of that and show some shade to film direction. But not also Jafrass. We see where Owen Allen followed from Owen Allen Media Group, and I make Masicka know clear say right now him can in the goat conversation based on how Vybz Kartel are doing it right now. You have to go hear the reason and see why I say them thing then people.
When Masicka come out and talk about being the goat and you cannot take Masicka seriously. When Vybz Kartel tell you your favorite artist is delusional, he's right, because Masicka has never run dancehall by himself, not once, right? And if we're talking about statistics, Skillibeng is actually a bigger artist than Masicka globally. Every Skillibeng achievement proves that. You know what I mean? So we're not even going to compare Masicka to Vybz Kartel or anything like that. We're just going to use Skillibeng or even Popcorn to beat Masicka. Vybz Kartel gave these artists 13 years to catch up, 13 years to prove themselves, and yet he came back and showed them that they were not even close. And you really want me to take an artist we say him a goat seriously? What them a do about here? Nothing. So what Vybz Kartel is doing right now is pulling these artists like Masicka and Alkaline and all of them in the deep waters, and them can't swim. So what you think about them? They will drown. Kartel too far ahead, too strategic, too impactful, right? And that's why when people debate who is the greatest dancehall artist, the conversation will start with Vybz Kartel and the conversation will go end with Vybz Kartel.
So when you think about the reason that's from Owen Allen Media Group people, you feel him right to say, yo, Vybz Kartel are the only artists who can be considered in the GOAT conversation right now. Because if you look for your screen and see where Vybz Kartel even like the post where he make and know say, yo, that him a deal with, you know? So when you think about the reason that you feel him right to say, yo, Vybz Kartel are the only artists, because we have to remember say, yo, we have greats like Shaggy, Sean Paul, even Shabba, because them man they do it big and them deep on a different stage. Beenie man, likewise, I say me I did, and also a Bounty Killer, because Bounty Killer contribution should not be looked over in a dancer. If you really check the answer right now, at the contribution of Bounty Killer put in, lift up almost 75% of dancer right now, me that say. You see me I did, so we have to consider them things there too, when we are reason about the GOAT and them things there, because not only we do like on the charts and them things, you have to look on the contribution towards the music as well, and that can get oversighted just by, you know, the whole happenings more while. So now we are segue over to Sizla's Rise to the Occasion Festival. You know, say that I do 30 years in a music right now, and him decided to commemorate that with a big stage show with the likes of Beenie Man, Bounty Killer, Spragga Benz, just to name a few. We have a few snippets from the stage show I check out.
Turn up this and you make me get cross. Angry? Good morning! Good morning! Can't hear! Turn up the eye! Mr. Collins! Pick up yourself!
How in I from bossy, and them can lay ya. I don't talk girl them. But I make some nice in a boom Sundays, no man. Anything mama we ever buy that. Yeah, I mean, I see the poor if they call me out. Coming out easy to get a nipper. Promise me not see the girl if we run up on my panic. Now watch your pretty face head we up locker. I ain't not see the ex. Yeah, as in they came and play me up here with now me that's it. Boy, I'ma swear that's how they truth. Regular me up with tell a boy. Hey.
So that Shaniel Muir run a Boom Sundays people. I give the fans them a nice little performance, you know. Shaniel Muir, she one of the top female artists in the game right now. Yeah man, well established and I do very well for herself. Couple collaborations well under her belt, especially the one with her she and Cartel, bad piece of song. Yeah man, so now we check out some young artists, up forwarding artists. Yeah, cause you know we have big artists in the game. I have to give way for the young artists them to forward up to and can do them thing. So now we have Frass. I run out to the new single people and a new music for them a shoot feet. Check it out.
New polo shirt and bossy tag. Run a fast like Bolt in a Florida. Bread beside up a station or something bad. Natch up a thing and board there up the bad. Big lane we make money out Trinidad. Bleach out white skin white like vinegar. Suck your mother mocha, who knows me here. After when I'm black in a account, take out for your things. When me call client phone, I'm for pay me.
Ideas. They hold you. I tell me they tell them.
Dog, me just get the chain from African.
So the video snippet that we just up on the screen people that are from One Tally Music with a new song named African Chain. New song out now. I gotta check out our next piece side cause it a flow and it have a vibe to it, you know.
School money disappear like magician. Me don't give a fuck about the active and violate dog. Any bad me knock it on.
Yeah man, nice piece of flow on the rhythm and also him have the melody in the song too because you know say melody right now it's very important in any tune. Yeah man, melody bring you far.
Spain town me a god in a capital. I'm a strike for my side, me a national. I'm a would pay for my rank, me have cash in hand. Until you run I don't fuck up.
So that One Tally Music with a new song African Chain. You can check it out on him official YouTube and run it up over there so now we are check out how going over there in Ghana. Shatta Wale for them artists, the African artists is like him have a birthday bash and the whole country far out to come give him strength and support and just show them love. We have some highlights. So that a Shatta Wale over there in a Ghana people. It's like him keep a birthday show in a the square of Ghana or somewhere in a public now and public space, and a whole heap of people for though. They can know say at least over 20,000 people that are 30,000 people. Whole heap of people for out and just give them strength and just know say yeah, are them big artists. I can say I appreciate it him all dash your money and one bag of things. Yo, the amount of crowd there so be happenings people. You feel like could I go on a Jamaica or somewhere in a Jamaica with a Jamaican artist, but I know what I think now. So now we're gonna check out our next clip where we say a circle on the socials. A typical example of don't judge a book by its cover.
Over there, sharp boy, come with the bomb buckler. Ah man, come over bomb buckler, chuck no man, and I say you can't drive. Yeah, kill and I give no more bomb buckler, but move the chuck no bad man. Don't push my car go for bomb buckler road. Come on, if you can block car drive it through, you know. Bomb buckler. Come in and fuck with you, yo. Yo, I will drive, but the man make sharp man cause she blood clot truck, you know. That sharp boy going to bomb buckler man truck. Oh, you doing that man truck? Yo, how about the blood clot truck I move it through, you know? Watch ya, watch ya. Watch ya. Bomb buck, watch ya. How about the blood? See that, see that, see that, see that. See that, when I see the foot, I want the blood clot I go on so.
So you see what I mean by don't judge a book by the cover. Cause you see sharp man there so I think him are the second pan the truck, but in fact him are the driver. Cause you see the handicap man there cuss up him bad road and go on bad and him even know the half. No pun intended, but sharp man just go down the truck and just stand it up and just deal with it smooth and easy. So me I did, yeah man. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people just want to big you up again and tell you thanks for watching the entire episode. And remember to stay tuned again for more updates. Man.